Hello, happy Friday. So excited to have you here and so excited to be spending time with you and our beautiful environment that we have created, and also host our best friends from Microsoft. So let's give a big round of applause to the Microsoft friends who are here with us today. This is a vision we had. We wanted to have them with us to do a lunch and learn. And thank you to Gina and Karen and Diego for making this possible. Before I start, I want to share a small story to hope it will inspire you. It was 1995 when I heard Microsoft, and they had a bold vision to create access for technology for billions of people. I would say billions of people. That is what was said on the TV. And the billion was the word that caught my attention. And I just said is, I want to aspire to design $1 billion vision. That one was the identity I wanted to create. So I got a job at Microsoft when I was working at Oracle, and I really decided to take the jump. Why? Because I wanted to be skilled, deeply skilled on how to create $1 billion strategies. So it's amazing. I got to spend a lot of time at Microsoft and then really work on bold, audacious goal. And when I left Microsoft, I wanted to build a tech company and then realized that there were a lot of challenges to win enterprise opportunities. So it was 4 years ago, we went back to Microsoft and said, we want to get your help to really establish a community to create $1 billion in economic access. Look at what has happened. In 4 years, we are operating in 65 countries. Over 60,000 people are connected with us, and we are making a difference. And that is what this foundational partnership really looks like, and why we are so thankful, because we need these kind of partnership to really accelerate the movement in gender inclusion and create an inclusive economy for all. So I'm Chaitra Vedullapalli. I'm the co-founder and president of Women in Cloud. Really excited to have you here today and also join us with Microsoft. So what does this mean for you? Well, you can dream big. You can collaborate with us. You can collaborate with Microsoft to really accelerate your business to a next level and also your career. So how do I want all of you to get engaged today? Well, without good engagement, we are not going to have a lot of fun. So what I want to do is make sure that you're taking time to deeply connect in the chat. Use the emojis to really show your passion of what you're going to do. So first tell me, give me +1 or say, promise I'm going to engage. I will chat. I will be engaged. So go ahead and do that. Fantastic. I love it. Second is get connected, make new friends, and get answers to those top of your mind questions. That's important. Be courageous, be bold, share your experiences on social media of what this means, what this access means with Microsoft. Good or bad, doesn't matter. You have to have your voice represented. And that is what we want to see. So here are 2 cool prizes we have for driving the best engagement. If you have worked with us, we like bold goals. Today, I want to see 1,000 chat messages happen. That would break a completely new record. So I have 2 prizes for you. One, most engaged in the chat, we'll have you $25 gift card sent to you right after the session. Second, also a LinkedIn campaign happened, which is $100 for someone who actually did a fantastic job with the steps we told them. Because when you follow, you actually find the right answer very quickly. Okay, so with that, for many people who are here, some of you don't know. Actually, let's do one thing. Let's get the engagement started. What Microsoft product do you love the most and cannot live without? Go ahead, put it in the chat. What Microsoft product do you love the most and cannot live without? Office, Excel, for me, it's PowerPoint. Windows OS, Office. Show the love for Microsoft people here. These are the products we love a lot. Fantastic. You're already doing a great job. Yes, Power BI. For people who don't know about Women in Cloud, just a quick thing. We are a community-led and economic development organization taking collective action to generate $1 billion in net new economic access for women entrepreneurs and professionals by 2030 through the global partnerships with our corporations, community policymakers, which is all united by the ESG goals and also the UN Sustainable Development Goals that are driven by job creation, diversity and inclusion, technology innovation, and sustainability, giving women and allies a most powerful platform to accelerate as industry leaders. So my question to you today is, what kind of access would you like to have from Microsoft and Women in Cloud to grow your business and career? Go ahead, put it in the chat for me. The question is, what kind of access would you like to have from Microsoft to grow your business and career? Mentors, partnership funding, learning and direction. What else? Enterprise contracts. That's exactly the answer I was looking for. Yes, I love the learning platform, coaching, mentors. So all the Microsoft friends here, please know why people are here today. So what we want to do is talk about what this partnership really meant. Over the last 4 years, we have done some significant impact in the ecosystem. The first thing that we were able to do is drive an inclusive digital economy. Really wanted to make sure that we accelerate the representation of 50% of the population, that is women, who are getting left out in the $7 trillion cloud opportunity. So the representation story was important, so gender inclusion. Second, we also did was we distributed 1,500 cloud scholarships and also established the first cloud center of excellence in India to really make sure that we are able to create a diverse talent pool in the ecosystem. If you're in the digital network today, Vandana literally talked about how this scholarship literally changed her and her family's life by taking the training and ensuring she got a job in the cloud industry. They also do is inspire a lot of the Fortune brands and other companies to really explore how to partner strategically to accelerate the corporate ESG efforts. So they do really set the bar for us. The fourth one is the digital co-selling with Microsoft and access to community PDM. That has never happened in the history of, in the cloud industry. They were able to make that happen. They are the one who are the harbinger for really driving the signal of how it needs to be done. And we are lucky that we get to partner with them. The next one, which I would say is a breakthrough in the industry, is the cloud marketplace. They have a diversity lens on the marketplace, first in the industry, to really make sure we as a companies are represented well. And the last one is the policy advocacy that we work with David Pryor, and we work with the entire team to ensure that we are representing tech policies that are inclusive. All these things did not happen automatically. And I want to really take a moment to acknowledge the people behind making this transformation happen. We have Karen Fazio, who is also a co-founder, really driving the inclusive economy narrative. Let's give a big round of applause. The championship, the stewardness that is required to drive made it happen. We have Gina Go, who works does on a regular basis to make this happen. Rodney Clark, who actually ensured that we have the right support for entrepreneurs to accomplish winning opportunities in the enterprise. We have Diego, who made sure that we can actually make things happen in the marketplace. Debbie Utek made the scholarship happen, and David Pryor for policy work. And there are hundreds and hundreds of Microsoft employees who are championing to create the gender inclusion. So this is what really means what a great partnership looks like. So with that, I want to really invite Charlotte Yaraconi, who will be the keynote speaker today. And she will really talk about what this inclusion means. But today what we have prepared is we have a keynote by Charlotte Yaraconi. We have a great panel discussion followed by seeing a couple of demos that are cool, that are done by entrepreneurs, followed by 2 rounds of networking. So I would like all of you to be deeply engaged and get the chat on fire.